Welcome to a new video on principles of organization, storage, and retrieval. In today's lesson, we'll explore effective techniques of organizing data, examine efficient storage solutions, and clarify the difference between information retrieval and data retrieval. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how to manage and access data effectively, enabling better decision-making and streamlined workflows. Let's get started. We'll start by discussing effective techniques for organizing data, a fundamental step in managing information efficiently. Data organization is critical for ensuring that information is easily accessible, accurate, and useful. When data is logically structured, it supports smoother data analysis and leads to more precise and actionable insights. This process is especially important in data-driven fields like business, healthcare, and research, where efficient data management impacts outcomes directly. Effective data organization begins with understanding the nature of the data and its intended use. Data should be categorized and classified based on criteria such as date, relevance, or category, which helps in quick identification and retrieval. Using precise naming conventions is essential, as it allows for easy navigation through datasets and reduces confusion. Techniques such as hierarchical organization, for example, folders and subfolders, tagging systems, and the use of metadata enhance data retrieval and management. Hierarchical structures create a clear pathway for navigating through files, while metadata provides additional context, ensuring data is searchable. These techniques are vital for both digital and physical information management. Utilizing tools and software like Microsoft Excel, relational databases, or specialized data management systems can automate sorting, categorizing, and organizing processes. Additionally, creating and using a data dictionary standardizes categories and definitions, ensuring that everyone working with the data understands its structure and purpose. The ultimate goal is to make data accessible, analyzable, and useful for decision-making. Data should not only be stored efficiently, but also presented in a format that facilitates quick interpretation, such as through data visualization techniques like charts and graphs. This approach ensures that even non-technical stakeholders can understand and act on the data insights. Next, we'll explore efficient data storage solutions, which are essential for managing the growing volumes of digital information. Efficient data storage begins with understanding the data lifecycle, which includes creation, storage, usage, and eventual archiving or deletion. Recognizing these stages helps in determining how long data should be stored and the most efficient format for retrieval. Managing the lifecycle effectively ensures that data remains accessible and secure throughout its use. Efficient data storage requires balancing cost, performance, and scalability. Cost optimization. Assess the total cost of ownership, including infrastructure, software, maintenance, and utility expenses. Techniques like data deduplication and compression help reduce costs by minimizing storage space. Performance enhancement. Incorporate caching mechanisms, solid-state drives, SSDs, and advanced data retrieval algorithms to speed up access times and enhance overall performance. Scalability. Use cloud storage solutions and modular architectures that can expand as data needs grow, ensuring that storage solutions remain adaptable and future-proof. Data deduplication eliminates redundant copies of data, reducing storage requirements and costs. Tiered storage implements different storage types, e.g., high-speed SSDs for frequently accessed data and cheaper options for archival storage, based on the data's access frequency and importance. Cloud storage offers scalable and flexible solutions for storing data, providing access from anywhere while managing infrastructure costs effectively. Cloud storage solutions such as Amazon Web Services S3, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Storage have become increasingly popular for their scalability and accessibility. They allow businesses to adapt quickly to data growth and integrate seamlessly with various software systems, optimizing both storage and data retrieval processes. The key to efficient data storage is finding the right balance between cost, performance, and scalability. This balance ensures that businesses and organizations can manage their data effectively without overspending, providing a strong foundation for data management. Finally, let's distinguish between information retrieval and data retrieval, two critical but often confused concepts. Information retrieval involves finding relevant information from a large collection, such as documents or libraries, in response to a specific query. It is the process that search engines, recommendation systems, and digital libraries use to navigate extensive data repositories and deliver the most relevant results. The effectiveness of information retrieval systems is measured by precision, accuracy of results, and recall, completeness of results. Data retrieval focuses on extracting specific data points from structured databases or datasets based on predetermined criteria. It is used in applications like data analysis, scientific research, and business intelligence where precise data extraction is necessary. Unlike information retrieval, which is more about information seeking, data retrieval requires exact queries, often using structured query languages like SQL. Information retrieval employs algorithms that rank information based on relevance and uses natural language processing, NLP, to understand and respond to user queries. Data retrieval utilizes structured query languages, SQL, and other precise commands tailored to the database structure, focusing on retrieving all relevant data that matches specific criteria. Information retrieval, vital for search engines like Google, recommendation algorithms on platforms like Netflix, and academic databases like JSTOR. Data retrieval, essential in business intelligence, BI, for extracting financial reports, in healthcare for retrieving patient data, and in scientific research for accessing large data sets. Understanding the difference between information retrieval and data retrieval is critical for developing efficient systems to manage and access information. As data volumes grow, recognizing these distinctions will help in choosing the right technology and approach for each task, ensuring that systems are optimized for either seeking information or extracting data. In today's lesson, we covered effective data organization techniques, explored efficient data storage solutions, and clarified the difference between information retrieval and data retrieval. These principles are essentials for anyone working in the digital age, where managing and accessing information accurately and efficiently is crucial. By mastering these skills, you'll be able to create more organized, accessible, and useful data systems. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this lesson enhances your understanding and application of these principles.